Alright guys, we got a new truck. This is the Traxxas Stampede, and this is going to be Gabe's truck, and it is Gabe's birthday, so let's open it up. Alright, let's get it open. First out is the controller, and the foam just came off. And now, some more of that. And there's the truck. Check that out. That is cool. And here's a big bag of stuff. We'll go over what's in there later. Alright, for some reason it's missing 2 body clips on the body, but it does come with extras in the bag. Ooh, look at this nice orange body.
Whoa! These tires!
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, and since it is the brushed one, it comes with the battery in there. 8.4 volts, 3,000 milliamps.
This has such good suspension!
Okay, so here's everything in the box. So the antenna thing is a little bit complicated. The antenna would go through that hole, and then you could see it just come out into the battery spot. And then you move it over to right here. You could probably just stick this right there. It'll be in there like that. Then you put this on there, and then the antenna should go on just like that. So now you can see the wire going through all of this. Okay, so let's talk about the car load. So in the back, there is the motor, just like all the 2-wheel drive vehicles. This is a Titan 12-turn 550 motor, and the wires go up into the ESC. This is the XL5 ESC, and you can see there's the Traxxas servo in the very front. And the Stampede has a different chassis than all of them. It has a very thin piece right here, which is very different. And it is definitely a lot higher than all of the other 2-wheel drive vehicles. I would say about 5 to 6 inches. And the tires are also very big, monster truck style tires. Bigger than all of the other 2-wheel drive.
And that's what I like.
And you can see on this one, there's all Phillips head screws. The only reason that it comes with these type of screws is because it's brushed. It's the XL5 version of it. So yeah, this whole truck is definitely very monster truck style, which Gabe, you like, right?
Yep.
Gabe loves monster trucks. Another difference that I'm seeing back here is these like top axle, I don't know what you would call them, like some sort of axle arm or something, but that is just one straight thing. On the other ones, they seemed adjustable, but this one, on all sides, it just looks the same length and everything. So this thing should definitely be fun to drive. And let's look at what's in the bag. There they are. First of all, there is a charger in there. This is for the battery that it came with. It's not like a really good charger, and it doesn't look like it would plug into a wall normally, but it would still work. And we also have some shock spacers, 2 packs of that, and a bag of body clips, body spacers, foam, and stuff like that. And also you have an optional pinion gear in here that will make it faster, but it won't be the best for off-road. It would make it faster if you're going for speed runs. And it comes with a tool bag. And we also have some really cool stickers. We have the Titan 12T sticker, Stampede, Traxxas, bunch of Traxxas stickers. And then you have all these manuals. And here's a size comparison with the Slash and Rustler. And don't forget the 4 AA batteries that you'll need for the controller. Okay, so let's get this monster truck on the road.
Yeah.
There we go.
Going on the stop.
Flipped over. Whoa! That went up so easy.
What?
Get off the truck. Whoa! Yeah, another thing to mention, it has nothing covering up that spot right there. No bumper or anything. It keeps flipping over. The rain interrupted the montage. Why? Okay, so it just started raining, so we had to come inside the garage again. But this thing is pretty cool so far, right?
Yep.
And as we know, the two-wheel drive vehicles, this should be a great truck. It is super high, so it might flip over a lot. Well, I mean, it probably will flip over a lot. You guys should get it if you like monster trucks. This is a good one. So yeah, this is an awesome monster truck. It's not insanely expensive compared to some other RC monster trucks. So if you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Speedsterz RC. And also, don't forget, we have two other channels, Speedsterz Shorts and Speedsterz. So make sure you guys subscribe for more RC stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.